So here's the first piece of the plumbing that's gonna go there, and let me show you where it's gonna go. So in there you can see the two holes. I've made it to fit just right, which is usually what gets me into trouble, but let's go ahead and get it done. So there it goes under there, and then I'm gonna stick the next pipes over. But the one thing I think to check to do is how far out does it go on this side. So let's see. It's great. That's exactly where I need them. And so once I put the correct ends, he's going to be screwing in here, and that's what's going to bring us water. So after about maybe 30-45 minutes, something like that, I'm not 100% sure, this is what I decided to do, and I did it. So I started up there, I went in, I went across, I went up, and then I went this way. And whenever I turn off the water, I'm gonna just cut in the middle on this one and cut in the middle and just fit them in there between the two. They're not attached at the top at all. Partially is because I need the flexibility. I am pretty much done, with the exception of a couple of things with the sink. Last post of the day. It's getting kind of late. It's 8:30 or so. Let me show you. So I ended up finishing up the plumbing under there, and we've got water with tons of pressure, by the way, too. And also we got a flushing toilet. Now the toilet has not been used in quite a while, and because of that there was a lot of construction dirt and stuff that fell a bit in it, so it's a little bit stained. So I'm going to be cleaning it thoroughly to make sure it looks good, but for the time being nobody's really using it, except I might use it from time to time. But anyway, I also hooked up a light there. I don't know if I said that. So I have two lights because here pretty soon I'll be doing work here. I ended up connecting, let me see, all the plumbing in there, and then the plumbing for the toilet right there. Got home after working out, and then I went shopping at Lowe's, and today I have a lot of boxes that are here. Yesterday I found this vanity. They had a clearance on it. It says 129, but it was actually 99 bucks. So it will fit great what we're doing. Also got the air conditioning unit. I need to figure out about that. And I also bought a few other things that I will need to continue on in the basement. You guys are going to see them pretty soon. update. Sorry, I haven't been recording the actual work because it's in such tight quarters that I cannot aim the camera at the right spot. So I want to show you what I've done. So I closed up this last part and did the first layer of mudding. We have a spider trying to crawl there. Oh well. But Phil, the inspector, says it's all good. So I'm going to wait for it to, of course, dry up. I can't really get to it for 24 hours. I'm going to put a bit of a pause for the day. But I also did the very last layer of drywall in the kitchenette, which really doesn't look much different than the previous time that I recorded. But what that lets me do now is come back to bar, sand and paint. And that will be really almost all of the kitchenette with the exception of the ceiling, which I'm not going to do until a lot later. It's going to be one of the last things I do. But work has been going well. My glasses are very dusty. And now the only annoying part about all of this is that I cannot go through the wall anymore and I have to go all around. But oh well, it's going to work out. Thank you for watching this week as we try to finish the bathroom downstairs. Please do remember to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. This has been a very exciting project. I've said that before. We're getting really close to it. It's a lot of it is finishing touches with the exception of maybe doing some bigger things like the air conditioning and the floor. But I'm very excited for the project. I'm very excited for it to be over with. I'm getting a little bit tired of it, but I still love it very much. So join us next week to see what new projects we're going to be working on downstairs, and hope to see you there.